I need to tell to Rajveer Lahoti to join math class. I told him in EVS class.
When?
Yesterday.
Okay. So he was coming regularly in all the classes before? But yesterday you told
Ma'am,
him,
I
right?
didn't remember. I don't know.
Okay, thank you, my dear. I already convey the message now. So now he will, I hope everyone will attend the classes regularly. Divit, Kevyan, Divit is camera on. Vedant, Danya, Kevyan, Rajvi, Nakre, please turn on your camera, please.
Ma'am,
So,
mine is on only.
Vedant, Rajvi, Nakre. Yeah. So, good morning, everyone.
Morning, ma'am.
As you all know that today is your chapter 4 tick 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 CET. Are you all prepared?
Yes.
Please keep revision notebook with you to do the calculations. No need to send me the calculation picture. Just only take the answer in the Google form and submit me. Okay. But in case if you have any confusion, you need to solve it and then click. And carefully solve the addition and subtraction of time problems. Okay. Carefully, because we have done in detail the concept of addition and subtraction of time.
Ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Jika Singh and then Moksh.
Ma'am, for
Yes.
the assignment of 4 chapters 1 to 4, you have got my, because when I was doing that, I have some.
Yeah, the assessment, no? You're talking about assessment, right?
Yes.
I received.
Because I was out of the.
Yes, I received.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after we have submit the CT, we have to do mark test then.
Yes, after submitting the CT, mark is done. Every time when you get the Google form, no, whether revision, whether worksheet, whether assessment, whether CT, please do mark as done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you send the link again?
Yeah, I have not sent yet. I'm sending now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you will send link in the chat box.
I will send in the classroom. Once I will send, I will tell you to open the classroom. So wait for a minute. It's posted. Refresh your classroom, students. Go to your classroom, refresh it, and you will able to see the Google form. Is there any child who's not able to enter? Moksh, are you able to open it?
I see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write our section.
Yes. Write your section also along with your name. Name you can write it any letters, capital or small, and you should know now in you are in grade 4 that how to write the name. Write your section also. Is there any child who's not able to log in? Wait, I will also read for you. Let me drink.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, you have not sent us the link. Only.
Refresh your classroom, Vihan Dobaria.
ma'am, I didn't get it.
Refresh your classroom, Vedant. Refresh your classroom, Vihan and Vedant, both of you. Got it, Vihan?
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
There was option of show only.
Vedant, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suchimali, go to classroom. I've already sent the link in the classroom. Open your Google form from the classroom. You have your CET. Yes, Ane?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ane?
I can't understand the first question.
Okay, let me read. First question you have not understood. That in a day, how many hours?
I understood, but
Huh?
there is 2 answers.
No, there are only one answers. In a day, how many hours?
Ma'am, I'm confused in that B1.
I am reading all the questions.
Ma'am, it's written each day is made up of.
Let me open the Google form.
Ma'am, we have to write
Let
our
me open the
class
Google
number
form.
Ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write our
No,
class
no,
section.
only section and your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Only name and your class 4C. That's it. Yeah, I'm going to present. Is my Google form visible to you all?
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Be silent now. Everyone mute your mics. Each day is made up of how many hours? 9 hours, 12 hours, 22 hours, or 24 hours. So, Ane, I think no two options are there, correct? One option is only
I
correct.
understood. I understood.
Okay. Next, B. The number. I request everyone to turn off their mics once I complete explanation. Then you can turn on your mics and speak. Number B, the number of minutes in 1 hour, 6 minutes. First, you need to find the number of minutes in 1 hour. Then 6 minutes also is there in the minutes. Total, how many minutes? Rita leaves for school at 6:40 a.m. and reaches at 7:30 a.m. So, how many minutes it takes to reach to the school? The day after 90 days from 15th March. If you count 90 days after 15 March, so in which month it will fall? If I say if you count 30 days after this 20 July, so 30 days will be completed in which month? Same way 90 days will be completed in which month? 90 days, but after 15th March. And if you know that we have already learned how to count the days. A math started at 1440 hours. 1440 hours means the time is given in 24-hour clock time. And the starting time in the 12. Now, same time, if you want to write in 12-hour clock time, how you will write? F1. Both the hands of the clock are on 3. Then what is the time? 6:45 p.m. Remember, AM and PM is given. So, PM is given 6:45 p.m. How you will write 6:45 p.m. in 24-hour clock time? H 12 minutes to 4 means 4 बजने में अभी भी 12 minutes है. I, the date of manufacturing printed on a pack of butter is 16th September 2020 and it has a stamp which says used by 31st October 2020. Should we use the butter after 31st October? Yes or no? We have done expiry date and manufacturing date. So please read the properly and find the answer. J. The school closes for winter vacation from 25th December. Means 25th December is also the holiday. And till the 15th January, the school vacations are there. So means 25th and 15th January also will be counted in the vacation day. Don't think that these 2 days are not holidays. 25th December it's starting and it's till 15th January the holidays are there. So these both days also will be counted in your vacation day. Add 8 hour 20 minutes and 16 hour 40 minutes. Add it properly and then find the answer.
Hello,
Subtract.
ma'am.
Yes, let me complete, then I will solve your individual queries. Subtract 7 hour 20 minutes from 15 hours. Convert into seconds. 8 minutes 25 seconds into the how many seconds? Now tell me, what is your problem?
Ma'am, we have to also count in J1 25th December and 15th.
Yes, because if I say your classes are going to start from 20 July. So the 20 July is also your classes there. So your holidays are starting from 25th December. Means your holiday is on 25th December also. Till the 15th January. So 15th January will also be counted in the holidays.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Any confusion to any child? Please, addition and subtraction of time, do it with attention, students. Yes, Vishrut.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in J1.
J1 and regarding holidays.
No,
It's
no,
a
ma'am.
holiday.
Cleared it. I have a doubt in C1.
C1. Okay. रीटा लीव्स फॉर स्कूल एट 6:40. वो 6:40 पे घर से बाहर निकली फॉर द स्कूल एंड रीचेस एट 7:30. So how many minutes is taking to reach to the school from 6:40 till 7:30?
Ma'am.
Yes, Anne.
Okay.
Ma'am, I can't understand the E1. E.
E. Okay. A match. The time which is given 14:40. 14:40 is given in the 24-hour clock time, and when we write the clock 24-hour clock time, we don't write AM or PM. 14:40 से ही आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि ये टाइम क्या होना चाहिए, and you need to convert it into the 12-hour clock time.
I understand, but it's the answers back are written AM and PM.
हाँ, so now 12-hour clock time में तो AM और PM होता है ना बच्चा, because 14:40 is in 24-hour clock time and you need to convert it into the 12-hour clock time.
I
12-hour
answer, but it's AM or PM. That I'm thinking.
after 12 o'clock it should be PM or AM. You think?
12 o'clock.
You think and give me the answer.
Ma'am, it will be okay. I understood.
I request everyone to turn on the cameras, please. I request everyone to please turn. I don't want to call your name. I request everyone to please turn on your camera. I don't want to call your names.
Oh my God.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Oh my God.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, wait a minute. Let me take the attendance. Yes, Dania.
Ma'am, when I'm going to the CT, so my the camera is getting off.
Okay.
Ma'am, I also.
Please turn on your camera. If you don't have such problem of switching off your camera automatically, please turn on your cameras.
Ma'am, when we go to CT, the camera automatically off.
Okay. Then I'm believing on you that you all are doing your CET by your own. Please don't ask even a single question from anyone. Do it honestly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, when I submitted the CT and the scores, when the score came, when result came, so in the result it is written 17 out of 25, but only three sums are wrong. I mean, only four sums are wrong. So how
My
is it
dear,
20?
each sum is of 2 marks.
Okay.
Each is of 2 marks. Got it? Only one last question is of 1 mark. Other all questions are of 2 marks. Got it, Vedant?
Yes, ma'am.
Nishwa, you need to do a lot of practice, bacha. You need to do a lot of practice. I can see your scores just now. And those who have submitted their CT, they start writing tables from 12 to 15 in the revision notebook. Open your maths revision notebook. Start writing tables from 12 to 15.
Ma'am, I have a confusion in K1 add 8 hours and 20 minutes that it will come 25 hours or 24 hours and 60 minutes.
Then that is the explanation is already done in the class, bacha. Then how you have to do when you need to add, then how to add. Those who have completed their CT, they please turn on their cameras. Vedant, I will not allow you to sit with your camera off, bacha, because your CT is already done. Rajiv Nakre, Rajiv Lahoti is also done. Where is he? Rajvi, please turn on your camera because your CTs are done. Aradhya, Nishwa, Granth, Viva, Kevyan, turn on your cameras and sit in the class now and start writing tables in your maths revision notebook. Grant, turn on your camera. Viva, turn on your camera, please. Bhavya Sagar means I think Bhavya has not studied at home. Bhavya,
Yes, ma'am.
you have not done practice.
I have done.
Then you can see your scores.
Yes, ma'am.
Start writing tables in your revision notebook.
May I go to washroom, ma'am?
Yes, please. Yes. Viva, Viva, you're there in the class? Viva, Rajveer Lahoti. Rajveer, you please give your assessment also. It is already uploaded in the Google form in the classroom. So please do all the CTs, all worksheets, all assessments.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
and do practice. If any confusion, ask me in the next classes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the CT, it's showing 12 out of 24.
5.
25.
So means you score 12 only.
Ma'am, but I have clicked that.
And each answer is of 2 marks.
No, not that one. I
Then
have clicked the D1 June, so it's showing April. I have clicked.
don't discuss right now the answers. Let me check the answer. Wait.
How it's changing?
Yes, बच्चा 90 days will be in this that month only. अप्रैल में कैसे 90 days होंगे? मार्च में 15 के बाद अप्रैल में 90 days हो जाएंगे आफ्टर 15th March. If you
I
count
have
90
clicked
days.
June. I have clicked June.
So the answer, if you have clicked that, then your answer will be right. If you have not clicked that, then your answer will be wrong.
But it's
It depends what you
showing
have done.
it's
Let me
showing
check. Let me check your Google form. Which question number it is? No, you have clicked wrong only.
How
You have
can be?
clicked wrong only. Okay. After looking at the answers, don't discuss that this was my answer was right. No. Whatever you have submitted means you have submitted that time only this thing. Very good, Dania. Suchi, good marks, but need to practice a lot. Jigar Singh, okay. Kavisha, okay, okay. They are scoring at least more than 15. But please practice a lot. Divit, practice a lot. Moksha, excellent. Dania, excellent, and Moksha, excellent. Bhavya needs a practice. Kevya needs practice. Viva, Grant need practice. Nishwa needs practice. Aradhya, okay, that he needs to practice for 2, 3 concepts. Vedant needs practice, but okay. Rajveer Lahoti. Rajveer, you have given the test by your own. Rajveer Lahoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Or did you ask from someone?
No, ma'am, I did it own.
Okay, good then. Rajveer Nakre needs practice.
Ma'am, in my city, in G1 12 hours, its answer is one another.
Tej Kumar, listen. All answers which are in Google form are correct answers. Okay. If you face any difficulty in any of the answer, we will discuss it tomorrow. Not right now. because other students are doing.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
please.
don't
Sweetie.
understand in I1.
Suchi, you have already submitted, na? Your concepts, I will clear it in the next class if you have not
Yes,
understood
ma'am.
any of the question. Okay? Not right now because other students are doing.
Okay, ma'am.
I will discuss all the answers of this Google form in the next class. And tomorrow, you all know that there is a holiday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tomorrow is your holiday. No online classes tomorrow because tomorrow is what is
Bakri.
tomorrow, students? Bakri. Yes.
Bakri.
Bakri.
Ma'am, I know what is Bakri Eid.
Yes.
Ma'am, Bakri Eid is a Muslim festival that
Hmm.
is festival by cows and buffaloes to make them beautiful. That's why. Ma'am, I don't know, but I search in Google, so in Pakistan it is spelling like this.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And you all know today is something else also one important day. You all learn chess, right? Today is
So
World
today
Chess
is
Day.
World International Chess Day also.
Yes. Yes. International Chess Day.
ma'am, ma'am,
Yes,
check
Tej
my
Kumar.
sheet. Check my
I
sheet.
will. You got the marks, no, Tej Kumar?
Yes, ma'am, but
I,
in Jeevan,
Tej Kumar, as I already told that I will discuss your answers in the next class. I hope everyone, those who have completed their CT, they are writing tables in the notebook. 12 to 15. Moksha, you are writing tables? Moksha, writing tables?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, I complete 12 and 13. I'm on 14.
Very good. Please write tables. Divit, come back to your place. Start writing tables. Rajiv Nakre, turn on your camera. Dhyan Patel, turn on your camera. Nishwa, turn on your camera, please. Kashvi, come back to your place. Children, I really don't like that you leave your places in between the classes. Kashvi, Vedant, turn on your camera. You need reminders many times because I think you don't like to switch on your camera. Nishwa, turn on your camera. Tej Kumar, turn on your camera, please. From tomorrow onwards, I will not give you reminders for turn on your camera. I will directly remove you from my class. And from tomorrow onwards, I will also do this thing only. I will switch off my camera and teach you. Nishwa, write tables in your notebook. Manya completed? Yes, Manya just now completed. Children, you need to practice a lot regarding related to this chapter. Please practice. It's very easy questions are given to you in the Google form, not so tough. So it means it require a practice for you. Please do practice. Don't think the one day class is over and then you forgot about the topic. Please practice at home also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and what is 14 to, sir? Allah, 15 to, sir?
15 twos are 15 plus 15?
What?
30. 15 plus 15 what?
Okay.
Children, if you have not learned the tables, you please learn how
I
to
have
make the
learned.
tables.
I have learned till 14. See.
But 15 to is 30. You can add 15 plus 15 is 30.
Ma'am, the 15 table is very.
Yeah, multiplication is a repeated addition. Yes, Ane?
Yes, ma'am.
Multiplication is a repeated addition, right? So you need to add the same number. If you want 15 twos are 15 plus 15, 30. Then if you want threes are only 2 minutes are left. How many of you are remaining there to submit the Google form?
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. Dania, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, the table.
Let me pin you. Yes, very good, Aradhya. Aradhya, start learning also. Till 15, you should learn thoroughly all the tables.
Yes, ma'am. I know 12, 13, and 14, 15.
Good. Dania, you completed tables?
Ma'am, I have written till 12 and till 13. Now I am writing the 14.
Yes, please write. Nishwa, show me your notebook.
Yes, ma'am, I saw you.
Mania, you writing tables?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, please show. Nishwa, please show me your notebook.
I have seen.
Yes, Dania, put it down and start completing all the tables till 15.
Mom,
Yes.
ma'am, you send any homework at Wednesday? Email.
Yes. Wednesday means tomorrow? No. No, tomorrow is holiday, right? So no homework.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have done.
It's not visible, Nishwa, to me. Nothing. Not properly visible. Okay. But write neatly.
Yes.
Jigar Singh, you're writing tables? Good. Yeah, I know, Suchi.
Ma'am, we have to send the writing of the table.
No, no. I'm seeing here in the class only. Vedant, you completed? How many tables you have done? Yes, Bhavya. Good.
2 minutes, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am.
Kashvi, the whole period she was not there at her place. Kashvi, please come back to your place. Okay, students. So start learning tables also.
Yes, ma'am.
And tomorrow you have holiday. Today also you don't have anything for homework. So please practice of addition and subtraction of time.
Okay, ma'am.
I will ask the questions from you all in the next coming classes
Okay, ma'am.
related to addition, subtraction. Don't think CET is done and the chapter is over. No, I
Yes.
can ask any question from that related chapter in any of the class.
And you will ask anytime anything.
Yes, please start practicing.
And you will ask anytime tables also.
Yes. Start practicing. Learn tables. Tomorrow you have holiday. Learn tables till 15 thoroughly. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, students, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.